Howdy, it's Van McCoy at Mayberry Spirits Distillery, master mixologist, and today we're going to do one of our most favorite drinks, the Mayberrita. We don't make margaritas around here, we make Mayberritas because we're using Mayberry Spirits Crystal Moon White Whiskey. This is a great change-up for any tequila or rum-based drink, your daiquiris, your margaritas, your mojitos, all of those. It's got a great flavor, nice silky mouthfeel, and a clean finish. Today, for our Mayberrita, we're going to start out, and first, if you're going to rim your drink with either salt or sugar, do that first. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So you take your glass and you want to rim the outside edge with a little bit of lime or lemon juice. Be careful, you don't really want it on the inside. The reason is you don't want to get that salt or sugar falling into your drink. You only want it on the rim. So just put a little bit in a small bowl and just roll your glass gently in that bowl so that you get a little rim on the outside. And then take your salt or your sugar, put it in a little plate, and simply take your glass and spin it just a little bit in that plate. So today, I'm using our own vanilla-infused sea salt. We use a coarse ground on this, and it comes out with a little bit of a vanilla bouquet, which is wonderful not only for drinks, but also for baking. So we've got our rimmed glass here. Next, for this recipe, which is the one we use at the distillery when we're showing off our drinks at our tastings, we're going to start with a shaker. I'm going to put some ice in there, and we're going to take 1 ounce of Crystal Moon, put that right in there, and the ratio for the mixer is about 1 to 4. So for 1 ounce of the Crystal Moon, we're going to use 4 ounces of our mixer. And the mixer we like to use, you could try all sorts of things, but the one we found that works best is simply limeade. It's all natural. It's sugar, lime juice, and water. It's easy to find in almost any grocery store, and it makes an awesome Mayberrita without any other additives on that. So we're going to do 4 of these. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're going to want to give that a good shake until you've gotten all frosty on the side of that shaker. And we're going to pour that right in there. Alrighty. And then we're going to garnish it with a little bit of a lime right there. Mayberry Spirits Distillery, mayberryspirits.com. Cheers.